Finally I built my PC successfully. This was my very dream PC which I started this work. I wanted to build this PC for a long time. Finally I have completed the beast. So without wasting any time, let's boot up the beast. So guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to check out my other videos on my channel. I've linked the card button there. You can check my other videos which we post videos related to digital marketing, news, trends, practices. So guys, get connected and stay updated, subscribing to our channel just like this. And if you're not following on my social media handles, my social media handles are also in the screen. You can check that as well, and also they are in my description section. Guys, do like this video and share this video with everyone. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, get connected and stay updated. Bye.